time to be alive. Living in the future, blinking on my hotline. Oh, what a time to be alive. Living in the future, blinking on my hotline.
Good morning, WHB. I'm Hannah.
And I'm Emma.
I wish we brought our anchors out here.
We are the anchors.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sad to see high school sports come to an end.
At least we get to see all our classmates playing at the collegiate level.
Let's take a look.
I may be a Quaker, but I'll always be a Hurricane.
I may be a Bonnie, but I'll always be a Hurricane.
I may be a Seawolf, but I will always be a Hurricane.
I may be a Salve Regina Seahawk, but I'll always be a Hurricane.
I may be a Ram, but I'll always be a Hurricane.
I may be an Eagle, but I'll always be a Hurricane.
I may be a Seattle Saint, but I'll always be a Hurricane.
I might be a Shark, but I'll always be a Hurricane.
I may be a Dutchman, but I'll always be a Hurricane.
I may be a Shark, but I'll always be a Hurricane.
I may be a Fighting Knight, but I'll always be a Hurricane.
I may be a Shark, but I'll always be a Hurricane. Wow, I had no idea we had that many different athletes in our school.
Tell me about it. The most athletic thing I can do is a cartwheel.
Yeah, well, at least these athletes will have a lot of high school memories that will last them forever.
You know who else holds lots of memories in this school? Mrs. Kearns and Mrs. Doyle. I can't believe they'll be retiring this year.
Yeah, I had Miss Kearns last year in my English class, wishing her the best after her retirement.
Let's see if Hannah, James, and Molly can show us some more about these two incredible teachers before their last day at Westhampton Beach High School.
Hi, Miss Doyle. Thank you so much for everything you've done for me for the past few years. Vocal jazz on Monday nights is one of my favorite things. I'm going to miss it so much, and I'm going to miss you so much. Congratulations on your retirement.
Hi, Miss Doyle. I just want to say thank you for everything you've done for me. I've had so much fun working with you these past couple of years. Congratulations on your retirement, and I'll miss you so much.
Hey, Betsy. I have been so lucky to know you as so many things over the years, from back when I was in high school at Westhampton to being my friend's mom and also working with you in the music department, and then now to becoming a colleague and a mentor and a really amazing friend. And I'm so excited for you on your retirement. I know you're going to do great and amazing things. And I'm so glad, though, that we've developed such a friendship, because I know I'm going to talk to you all the time, but I am going to miss seeing you every day. I'm going to miss our lunch conversations. I'm going to miss our performances together. I'm just going to miss working with you. It's been amazing, and nothing will replace you. But I am so excited for you, and I can't wait to see what retirement brings for you. Love you.
Hey, Miss Doyle, I just wanted to thank you for being such a great teacher and mentor for the last 9 years that I've known you, and I just want you to have so much fun in Ireland next year.
Hi, Mrs. Doyle. Congratulations on your retirement. Thank you for everything you have done for the past 3 years that I've known you at Westhampton Beach. You are incredibly talented, such a wonderful friend, and overall great human being. Please visit. I'm going to miss you a lot.
Congratulations on 20 years in the district, and in particular, from me and the theater department, thank you so much for the last 11 years. You didn't see it yet. There's a chance you still might. We want you to know that we dedicated Legally Blonde to you. Thanks and love.
Hey, Mrs. Doyle. You and I have worked together since 1993, I think, since my student teaching way back in the day in Westhampton. And I just want to thank you for everything you've done for the students that you have taught and worked with. You've touched countless lives, and it's appreciated by everyone. Just want to wish you a happy and healthy retirement, and just enjoy yourself. Enjoy the next chapter. Thanks again. Take care.
Happy retirement, Sue. You have been a role model to me both personally and professionally. I have really enjoyed working with you and getting to know you as a master teacher, as a union president, as the director of the Teacher Center, and as a friend. So it will not be the same in school for many reasons, one of them you not being there. So I want to just envision you on a beach somewhere and reading a book and doing your yoga, and we will be missing you dearly. And I really hope that you find much happiness and love and time to relax in retirement. So, best of luck.
I cannot tell you what an honor and a pleasure it has been to work by your side as your co-teacher the past 3 years. You have made me a better teacher. You have been an inspiration to me, and there's no possible way that I could thank you enough for that. Just a couple things I would like to tell you before you leave. Again, unfortunately, this is how we have to end our time together, but I will miss your stories. I will miss our morning memes together. There are very few people I would dress up with as Ruth Bader Ginsburg, so that is a memory that I will cherish forever. Just for a couple of people who don't know this, one of my favorite gifts from Mrs. Kearns is she bought me a book a couple years ago called The Rad American Women from A to Z. I will always treasure this book for a few reasons. Obviously it has great American women in it, but also because Mrs. Kearns put me in here as well, and herself. And I can honestly say that Mrs. Kearns, you have lived up to this. You are truly a rad American woman, and I am going to do my best to live up to your expectations. So good luck in retirement. I wish you all the best. I know there are great things ahead of you on this next adventure.
Hi, Miss Kearns. I just want to say thank you so much for everything that you've done for me, and I miss you so much, and congratulations.
Hey, Mrs. Kearns, just want to wish you a wonderful retirement and just let you know that it has been truly an honor to work with you all of these years. You have been a great inspiration to hundreds and hundreds of kids, as well as all of the faculty and staff here at West Hampton Beach Elementary School, Middle School, and High School. And I can't thank you enough for running such a wonderful teacher center and doing an amazing job. It's an honor to have worked with you for these years, and an even greater honor to call you my sister and my friend. I will see you this summer for sure.
Hi, Miss Kearns, it's Jacqueline. I just wanted to say congratulations and good luck on your retirement. I wanted to let you know that I literally love you so much, and you bring me so much happiness. And I wanted to let you know that not only have you been a great English teacher to me in the past and just a teacher in other classes, but you also have literally made my high school experience the best that it could be. Being a person I could go to just to talk about anything with. You're literally like my school mom. I literally trust you with my life. I could tell you anything. I really hope that your retirement goes really well, and I'll miss you so much, and I'm gonna miss all those days where I was kind of in a bad mood and you just seemed to brighten my day up. Literally, you never fail to put a smile on my face. Or when I saw you at the St. John's basketball game with Marissa and we were just talking about life and reminiscing and about school and this and that and the other thing. Also, when you paid for my nails at the nail salon last summer when I saw you, that was honestly the sweetest thing anybody's ever done for me, especially being a teacher. Like, that was kind of, it caught me off guard, but literally you have such a big heart, and I love you so much, and I wish you the best.
Congratulations, Ms. Kearns, on your retirement. You truly deserve it. We're going to miss you. The faculty, the staff, the students. You know, you've worked tirelessly to support the students in our school district, and I just want to say thank you on behalf of everybody. And also thank you for your leadership within the Teacher Association. I really enjoyed working with you, and again, I hope you have a great retirement.
Hi, Mrs. Kearns. I just wanted to say happy retirement. I can't believe that it's finally happening. I want to thank you for being my co-teacher, my friend, my mentor. The school is definitely going to feel your absence in the classroom, in the teacher center, in the union. Thank you for so selflessly devoting yourself to West Hampton Beach, and best of luck in all of your future endeavors. We know that you won't sit still at home. Happy retirement.
Hey, West Hampton Beach High School, this is Mr. Fisher. I just want to take a minute to do a quick shout out to both Mrs. Kearns and Miss Doyle on their pending retirement. I am sure they both will never forget their last year of teaching. I've had the good fortune of working with both for many years and greatly appreciate the professional relationship and the friendships that I have with you both. I can't thank you enough for all that you've done for our students, our staff, the community, in all the years that you've been here. You will both be sorely missed, and I'm so excited to just offer you good tidings into the future and the new chapters of your life. Good luck to you both.
Wow, Miss Doyle was really such a huge part of my high school and middle school experience. I'm really going to miss her.
Yeah, and I know the underclassmen and our siblings are going to miss us too.
Let's take a look at what they have to say to us.
My senior shout-outs definitely go to Julia Smith and Matt Leota. Julia, thank you for being the best running buddy I could have ever asked for. I wouldn't trade any of our incredible memories for the world. Matt, thank you for never failing to be there for me and driving me and my friends around even when we're completely obnoxious. I love you both so much, and I can't wait to make endless visits to South Carolina this fall.
Shout out to my sister Izzy for driving me everywhere throughout high school and getting it to Delaware, which is where she really wanted to go. Very proud of you. I'm gonna miss you.
Molly Brennan, the best sister ever, for always taking me to school and just being an all-around awesome sister. She's the best. And I'd like to shout out Jack Nags for always taking me surfing and having a good time. I'm gonna miss you guys.
I would like to give a shout out to my sister Brooke. Thanks for driving me to and from school every day. I'm really gonna miss seeing around the halls of WHB.
Jack, thanks for driving me and my friends everywhere, taking us surfing. I'm gonna miss you next year. Can't wait to visit you.
I would like to say thank you to seniors Gage and Reeve for always making me happy, always driving me around, always giving me the best advice, and just always being a great person. Thank you guys both. I hope you guys have an amazing time in college.
I would like to shout out Emily Ender, Josh, Juliana, Julia, Reeve, Carly, Bella Matone, and Emily Noonan. That I love you guys so much, and high school isn't going to be the same without you guys.
Paige, thanks for taking me to the beach and Hampton Coffee. Good luck next year, I'm gonna miss you.
Paige, thanks for taking me surfing and getting egg sandwiches. Jake, you were like a big brother to me. I'll miss seeing you in the hallway.
Give a shout out to my sister Abigail. She's going to South Carolina next year. I'm really gonna miss her, but let's go Gamecocks.
Shout out to Sophie. Thank you for all you do for us.
We're gonna miss you so much, and we're so proud of you.
My senior shout out goes to Grace Ann Gaudiello. Gigi, I love you so much. Thank you for being my twin and my best friend, and I can't imagine school or cheer without you. Have so much fun at Elon. I know you will, and I can't wait to visit.
Look. Look, good luck in college. Good luck in college.
It's definitely going to be weird not seeing my brother every day.
Yeah, and high school wouldn't have been the same without Cameron.
Yeah, I know a bunch of the seniors are going to miss the underclassmen.
Speaking of underclassmen, we've changed so much since freshman year.
Yeah, I agree, and there's definitely been a lot of pictures taken of us throughout the years.
Let's take a look at the seniors' recreations of old pictures.
Somebody would have told me, babe, someday these will be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. Someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the magic of these good old days.
I was thinking about the band, I was thinking about the fans. We were underground, loading merch in that 12-passenger van, in a small club in Minnesota, and the snow outside of First Ave. I just wanna...
Isn't it crazy how fast time goes by?
I know, right? I feel like just yesterday we were walking into the first day of middle school together, and now we're graduating.
I know, but I definitely couldn't have done it without all the help from the great teachers at WHB.
Hey, what about me?
Yeah, I guess you too.
Anyway, let's take a look at what the students at WHB have to say to our faculty.
See you soon, WHB.
My teacher shout-out's going to Mr. Davis. I really enjoyed your class, and during this hard time, I'm sending love to you and your family. And I also wanted to shout out Miss Kalasak. Miss you every single day, and hope you and the new baby are doing well.
Dr. Gobler. I just want to say that I'm so glad that I had you twice in high school, and you make science really interesting, and I've always thought of you more as a friend than a teacher. And I also want to shout out Mr. Walling. You're really, really funny, and you made my day a lot, and I'm going to miss you too.
I want to give a special shout out to my favorite teachers, Miss Bender and Miss Wiles. You guys helped me get through the capstone program, and you were always there for me when I needed help with college advice. Also, I wanted to give a special shout out to Mr. Lacker. Whether it was giving me great advice or just messing with me, it was so fun to be your student. Thank you.
My shout out goes to Miss Grunewald. Miss G, I just want to say thank you for always pushing me to do my best in not only your class, but every single class that I was in. And you have not only been just a teacher, but a friend to me as well, helping guide me through some hard decisions, especially this year, senior year, with college and everything, and always allowing me to come into your class after school to have a little conversation, just lighten things up after a hard day. So thank you for everything you've done for me.
My teacher thank yous. I just want to thank Ms. Tracy and Mr. Dorskin. Ms. Tracy, you've always been there for me by my side since day one, and I just want to thank you so much for teaching me how to put pride in my work and just to be nice to everybody, and I'm just really thankful for that. Mr. Dorskin, I just want to say a huge thank you to you for always being there for me by my side in and out of the classroom. You're more than an English teacher to me. You always taught me how to be the best I can be and don't give up. With the Junior Ambulance program, you've taught me a tremendous amount of knowledge and very valuable life lessons that I can use in everyday life. And I'm just really thankful.
I just want to say thank you to Miss Grunewald. Thank you for all your help over the past 2 years with math. I don't know what I would have done without you. You've been such a big part of my success, helping me with every struggle I could have ever imagined with math. Love you, Miss G.
If I had to thank one teacher, I want to thank Dr. Tracy. She's helped me so much throughout the past 4 years, and I'll never forget the conversations we've had. Thank you.
My teacher shout out goes to Mrs. Grunewald. Thanks for being my at-school mom and giving me the best advice through the hard times. And I hope you and your family are staying healthy. And also thank you to Mr. Walling for making me laugh at the end of the day.
Lacker, I don't think I could have passed physics without you. I'm going to miss your daily life advice in the hallways and your crazy talks during class. Thank you for always pushing me to do my work. I'll always remember you and your advice.
I want to say thank you to Miss Kearns for being the sweetest, kindest teacher ever. Thank you for all the extra stuff that you do for us and teaching us mindfulness and yoga. I'll really miss you next year.
Mr. Lacker, thank you for always putting up with me and pushing me to work my hardest. I'm going to miss pestering you multiple times a day and disrupting your class. But don't worry, I'll be sure to visit you next year.
Hey, what's up? Shout out to the realist teachers at West Hampton Beach. Mr. Dawson, Mr. Purtis, Mrs. Brosnan, Mr. Burkout, Mrs. Mecca, Ms. Galucci, and Mrs. Russell. Thank you guys so much for being amazing teachers and, just teaching me more than the class parameters and going above and beyond. I owe so much to you guys. Thank you. And special shout out to Mrs. Met and the Comers for helping me both in and out of school. I don't know who I'd be right now if it weren't for you guys, so thank you so much. And that's it.